much tire smoke. What's up guys? So I'm here at Willow Springs again. So the off-season is coming to end, so we are doing some final testing before the season starts. The main object for today is we got a new transmission. It's a 6XD sequential 6-speed transmission. We haven't run that yet, so it's gonna be the shakedown. I'm super excited about it. We changed the gear ratio quite a bit from my previous gear set, so the ratio will be completely different, so something we need to get the data out of it. Other than that, we'll just check everything's okay. Nothing else is majorly changed, so the main thing is the trans, so we'll see what happened. Actually, I take that back. We changed quite a bit of stuff. We got a new intercooler. I mean, it's not a major, but we've been using the same core for a long time, so just changed it, refreshed. It's a little bit different layout, but not that much. Basically just refreshing a lot of stuff. We got a new radiator, which I can't really show at the moment, but and also we got the new subframe in the rear. So my winter quick change was sitting a lot lower, but this time it's a lot higher from the ground, so we have more clearance. And also new arms and stuff, make it more like add more braces, so it's hopefully it's not gonna break as easy. That's about it. Alright, all suited up, ready to get going. New transmission, baby. I just went through one set of tire. Man, it's so cool. It's so quick shifting and runs perfect. So I think we made the right decision to get this training. It's so good. And yeah, I feel like I don't really need to get used to it. It's so good, and I can adapt it right away. So we're still gonna spend a few more sets and see how it goes. So try to get the gear display work.
No.
That's reverse right now.
Okay. Now go back to neutral.
Should be neutral.
Okay. First.
So I've been using the G-Force GSR 4-speed transmission last maybe like 10 years. I'm so used to it. It's so comfortable. But I decided to upgrade it to 6XD sequential 6-speed. I think in drifting, sequential patterns not really gonna help too much, because you know, the G-Force is still dog mission, so I can ship pretty rough. It's still gonna go through. So for that standpoint, it doesn't make too much difference. But I have a 6 gears, so depending on the situation, I have a couple gears to go through, either lower end or higher end. And also it's bolt-on to the G-Force design, so we don't have to change anything to put that transmission into it. So 6XD did a really good job on that, and more than anything, I think it's one of the strongest gearbox on the market. So that's the reason why we got it, and I'm pretty sure we don't have to service throughout the season at all. And yeah, it feels so good so far. Okay, so I killed like 5 sets of tires in like a couple hours, and that means everything went well. We didn't have to stop. We just changed tires and check here and there. Man, the new training works really good, so I'm really happy about it. So at this point, I think I'm gonna just save the car for the new season and just wrap it up. What do you think, Chris?
Yeah, everything's good. Trans seems good. You seem to be pretty comfortable with it. Car's running good. Nothing's leaking, nothing's smoking, nothing looks damaged.
Okay.
So yeah, I would say about as good as today could get.
Right on. I take that word. So this week will be our last week of this off season, and then after that we had to take the car to Road Atlanta for Formula Drift Round 1. So I just want to show you guys what's going on the last week of my off season. It's still gonna be a lot of stuff to do. It's always the case, you know, it's a long off season, but you know, everything kind of like getting super crazy in the last minute. I've been doing this like 18 years, but still the same. Kind of shame, but it's really hard to change that tradition. We are getting the BRZ wrapped by Daily Visual. They came here our shop and working on the car right now. Nice and blue, magenta. How's it going, Josh?
Wrapping away, Di, wrapping away.
Cool.
Putting pink on it this time.
Yeah, man. Only real man can pull off the pink, you know?
I thought it
You're
was
absolutely
salmon.
right. Only a real man can pull off pink. You're
I
right.
thought it was salmon, not pink.
Salmon.
Come on, bro. Salmon's more lighter.
It is. Salmon is more lighter. This is
Right?
Yeah, but
definitely
it's
more-
not like saying you have pink.
Hey, the correct term is fuchsia, so we need to get it right.
Oh, I'm never gonna remember that.
Getting too confused. Damn. Alright, I just arrived APR, picking up some carbon fiber splitter. Right. Alright, so I think the wrap is finished. Alrighty, looking great. Josh from Daily Visual did a great job as usual. Need to finish little stuff right here. Got the new carbon fiber splitter from APR. Got this yellow wrapped headlights. Looking great. Right, she's ready for some photo shoot now. Under the sun. Alright, let's put this photo shoot real quick. picking up stuff here and there. I just got boxer tools. And now I am stopping by one of my sponsors / crews, United Laser Service. United Metal Concept. So Mike. Oh.
The camera.
Damn. Are you gonna drive it? No? Okay, okay. Got some parts. Let's go.
We're good, guy.
Okay. Holding. Another day driving around, then last minute picking up stuff. Just got a new hero card designed by SIBAL. Came out really nice. I liked it. And just received our backup axle. Not axle, it's a drive shaft. And picked up some other stuff and just got the alignment on this vehicle. It's actually the tow vehicle for this year. Yeah, so I got a couple more days to prep. I don't know, let me ask EIMER.
Yeah, where are you?
Spare engine just alive.
You got chain or something?
You want to hang it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nope. Let's see, we have a higher up one. DALEY thing.
But I think
I'll take it over there farther.
right? Almost ready to load up. Okay. Right, so road it. Hit the road. So I'm on my way to FD Atlanta finally, and I'm driving the truck and trailer with the BRZ. So I'm gonna spend 36 plus hours in here. So I'm gonna spend maybe three days plus. Anyways, it's been a long week for us, getting ready for FD. I mean, new season of FD, because Atlanta will be our first event. So we've been through a lot of last minute stuff. My crew chief, Chris EIMER, worked really hard and non-stop, getting ready for everything. So now everything's ready, car's ready, I'm ready. So looking forward to arrive to Atlanta in 3 days. So yes, I am driving truck and trailer, which means I'm doing the transportation, which is actually my first time or the first year transporting my comp car last 18 years of my FD career. I've been lucky enough to have someone else taking care of that part, which was great, and especially last 12 years, Frank entire rig was taking my comp car every single round, so I just need to fly in, fly out, and didn't have to worry about that part. But unfortunately this year Falcon decided not to have one extra rig for transportation of our car. So not just me, it's for Justin and Odie as well. So we all have to transport ourselves. But you know what? Actually, this is a kind of good opportunity because I've never done across the country kind of trip. Maybe longest I've done is like 1,000 miles, but this will be like I don't know, a lot of miles, so 3,000 miles or whatever. So I'm actually looking forward for this. So far I've been driving like 3 hours. It's been good. You know, the scenery is kind of cool, and I'm pretty sure I will see a lot of stuff that I've never seen. So looking forward for it. Alright, fast stop at the Kingman in Arizona. Yes, so that was my first stop, Kingman in Arizona. drove straight 5 hours, which I've never done in anything. When I did the 25 hours endurance race, my longest was 3.5 hours, but I drove 5 hours straight without stop anything. It wasn't too bad. I think I'm halfway through for the today's legs, so we'll keep it going. So I'm stopping at the truck stop, just taking a piss and all that stuff, and just caught up with the parking rig again with Alex. What up? What up? Been good?
Yeah, you?
Yeah. Thanks for all the tips.
No worries, anytime.
Getting a lot of pro tips from him, so my travel has been smooth so far. Thanks, man. Alright, so I made it to past Memphis. It's in between Memphis and Birmingham. I forgot what the town's name, but I'm gonna stay here tonight and another 4 hours to Road Atlanta. So tomorrow I should get there in a decent time and get ready for the Formula Drift first round in Atlanta 2021. So we'll keep you guys posted. Please cheer me on in live stream if you can, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Jane.